Have you ever wondered what generative AI is and how it can shape your future career in creative tech? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Generative AI, in a nutshell, is a technology that leverages machine learning to create new content or ideas, be it images, text, or music. In other words, it's an artist with a silicon brain, a composer that doesn't sleep, and a writer that never gets a writer's block. It's a fascinating subfield of artificial intelligence that's been growing in popularity and practical application over the recent years. Especially in creative industries, where the ability to generate unique and compelling content is invaluable, generative AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or just curious about the future, it's worth getting to know this AI powerhouse. Now that you have a basic understanding of generative AI, let's delve into some real-world examples. You might be surprised to know that generative AI is already being used in various industries today. Let's delve into a few fascinating instances. In the music industry, generative AI is hitting the right notes. It's being used to compose entirely new songs, creating harmonious melodies and rhythms that you might think were crafted by human hands. Switching the reel to the film industry, generative AI has a role to play here too. It's being utilized to generate movie scripts, creating dialogues and plot twists that can rival some of the best screenwriters in the business. Next, step into the virtual world of gaming. Here, generative AI is crafting dynamic and immersive environments. It's creating unpredictable yet engaging worlds that gamers can explore, every corner filled with surprises. Moving to the tech industry, software development has seen a revolution with generative AI. It's not just humans writing code anymore. AI can now generate lines of code, making the development process more efficient and less prone to errors. Finally, let's strut into the fashion industry. Generative AI is turning heads here by designing new clothing items. It's creating chic and trendy designs, some of which have already made their way onto the runway. As you can see, the possibilities with generative AI are endless. So how can generative AI shape your future career in creative tech? Well, the possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. Generative AI is poised to revolutionize a multitude of industries, creating a kaleidoscope of new and exciting career paths in creative tech. Dive into the world of music, for instance. Generative AI could pave the way for a new breed of music composers who use artificial intelligence to create symphonies that touch the soul. The same goes for film. AI scriptwriters could harness the power of generative AI to pen captivating narratives that keep audiences on the edge of their seats. In the realm of gaming, generative AI might bring forth AI game designers who use this technology to build intricate, dynamic worlds that players can lose themselves in. Similarly, in software development, AI software developers could utilize generative AI to devise innovative solutions to complex problems. Let's not forget fashion, a sector where trends are ever-changing. AI fashion designers could employ generative AI to predict the next big thing, creating designs that are ahead of the curve and resonate with fashion-forward consumers. The common thread linking these diverse fields? Generative AI. Acquiring skills in this revolutionary technology could open doors to a myriad of opportunities, transforming how we approach creative tech. In the future, having skills in generative AI could give you a competitive edge in the job market. In conclusion, generative AI is a powerful tool that's already shaping various industries. We've delved into its real-world applications and how it's revolutionizing creative tech. This isn't just a fleeting trend, it's a transformative technology that's here to stay, and it's worth your attention. As we look to the future, consider how generative AI could impact your career trajectory. The future of creative tech is exciting, and generative AI will play a significant role in it. So, are you ready to be part of this revolution?